Hello and welcome to Tech Support. I'm Yiran, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a particle review along a path for some text. Firstly, let's create a new composition, which is on the bottom of your left window. I'll name it Tutorial Video. And I choose to have 1920 by 1080 pixels on this project. Then we are going to add our text on the background. And that can be done by clicking the type icon on the top left of your screen. Let's pre-compose the text layer by clicking Layer. And scroll down, you can find Pre-compose at the bottom. Now we are going to create a path for our particle. Go to Layer, New, No Object. Basically, I'm going to use the pen tool to draw a path that I want my particle to animate along. You can make a straight line or curve or whatever you want. Notice for now we only draw a mask, not a path. So here is what we are going to do next. Let's open the node layer we just created and copy the mask path. Then let's go ahead and delete the mask since we don't need it anymore. Still in that node layer, let's open Transform and then select Position and paste our mask path on the text layer's position. Here at the bottom, you can zoom into frame level or out the entire composition. Now we can see there are several yellow dots on our timeline, and that indicates the animation of our particles. Feel free to stretch this out a little bit, and now our animation will be a little bit longer. Now let's go to Layer, New, Solid to create a new solid layer, and we will call this Flare. Please make our new solid layer size the same as your composition size, which is 1920 by 1080 in this video, and choose the background as black. Click Effect, Generate, Lens Flare. If you want to change it, go to the left window and adjust the lens type, brightness, etc. In this video, personally, I would choose 105 and lower brightness. Next, we will make the lens flare follow our path, which has been created in our node layer. We now want to open lens flare and find flare center. Please click the stopwatch icon in front of the flare center while holding your Option key on your keyboard. Then drag your flare center to your node object's position. So now this will follow the node layer. If you want to change the color of lens flare, we can do that by going back to the flare layer and click Effect on the top. Choose the color correction, curves, adjust however you want. Finally, let's put all them together. Clear flare layer and change mode to add. If the mode option does not show up on your computer, simply click the toggle switches mode at the bottom and it will show up. Now the lens flare follow our mask path along the text. This has been tech support with Yiran. Thanks for watching.